Are you struggling to create walls properly in Revit? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create perfect walls, even if you are a complete beginner. If your walls are not aligning, not joining, or looking messy in Revit, you are making these common mistakes. Let's fix them today. Wall creation is the foundation of every Revit project, and today I'll teach you the exact method professionals use. Most beginners don't know this about walls in Revit, and it completely changes your. If you are coming directly from AutoCAD, creating walls in Revit can feel confusing, but in this video, I'll make it super simple for you. 90% of beginners make this mistake while creating walls. Make sure you don't. Let's begin our video. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll see how to create walls in Revit from very basic level. First, in order to start your project, first you have to set the units. Shortcut for units is U, and unit dialog box will open. Go to length. From here, change to feet and fractional inches, and rounding to the nearest half inch. Click on OK. OK. Now the units are set in feet and fractional inches. Now to create wall, first you need to create levels. So the walls are connected between two levels. For that, go to any one of the elevation view from project browser. I am going to south. I am already consisting of two levels, level 1 and level 2. So I am to draw another level. Click on level command. Draw at 13.6 14 inch. I am going with level 3 at 14 inch. Come back to level 1. You can select wall command from architect tab here, top right left corner, or shortcut for the wall is WA. Wall properties box will open. Here you see the basic steps you need to know while creating wall, that is height, unconstrained, how much height your wall is projected, that is up to level 1, 2 or level 3 or unconnected. I am going with level 2 only. This is a location of line, we'll talk about this later. Chain means continuation of line. If I draw a line, the wall will not stop for the next point, it will continue. For example, if you off this chain, the wall is not continuing to the next. That is difference between chain. Now the offset command is used to draw another wall with giving some distance parallelly on. We have different types of walls here: generic 200, generic 225, interior walls, and some exterior walls also, exterior brick on MLT standard. And you have three important walls: curtain wall, exterior glazing, storefront. We're going to see each one of them. Select exterior wall, going with brick on MLT standard. Select rectangle box, create a wall outer. This is the wall we have created. For example, if you want to create a wall with a line, select line, first point. You see the wall is coming through center line only. Center line. If you want to change, you can change here to exterior face, interior face. Click on exterior face. Finish face exterior. First points, you can see the wall is coming inside. So that is meaning of location of line. Simply join. WA, first point, second point. This is the outer boundary of our structure. You can change your dimensions also 81. I am going with only 20. And in order to change vertical dimension, you have to select horizontal wall, giving us 30. So this is our plan. I'm going to increase the horizontal dimension also to 30. So it's easy to draw square. Now, this is the wall creation. This is the already existing wall we have created. But to create the wall of our required thickness, how to create the wall of our required thickness? That is the issue. For that, go to wall, WA. From here, click on edit type. Here click on duplicate, give the name as 9-inch wall. Basically the walls of outer exteriors are 9 inches. From here you go to edit. From here you can change thicknesses of your finish layer, core boundary, membrane layer. As of now I'm not changing anything. If you want you can change the thickness here. Click on OK, apply, OK, and edit type again. Click on duplicate. For interior walls I am going with 4.5-inch wall. Click on OK, edit. So core boundary, yes, structure is 5 inch, so I am going with 4.5 inch. Enter 4.5, close. OK, apply, OK. The two walls which we are needed are created here, 9 inch and 4.5 inch. Select 9 inch wall. Take a rectangle, no need of rectangle, draw line of 35, and if you want the face outside, escape, select finish face interior. You can see the wall is from outside. 35, enter. That's it. Okay. Now for inside, this is the 9-inch outer boundary. To draw inside walls, again go to levels, walls, WA, take 4.5-inch wall. You can simply create a room here. That's it. This is the wall creation, how easy it is. Go to 3D view. You can see the walls are created up to level 2 only. Now come back to level 1. If you want to create a wall opening, for example, we want to cut the wall here. For that, go to modify, select split option here. With the help of that, select 2 points. Click escape. You can select this and delete. See, you can select at any point. So you have selected 2 points. You can change at any time. You can change the dimension. This is the main use of it. So it is very good than split command. So you can change dimensions also of wall opening also here, but in split command you can't change it. So I'm going to delete this, only one opening. Delete this. So if you want wall opening in design, for that go to 3D view, select this wall of where you need design, click on edit profile, the wall profile will open. Keep front view. Now you have to work on this plane. First select a line, join these two lines. First draw lines like this. So when I'm drawing a random design, now select TR, delete this line, enter, select this, join this, select this, join this, done. Now in order to design here, draw, select this 1 inch, 1 inch, 0.5 inch, escape. Again, similarly do 1 inch, 0.5 inch, 0.5 inch. Oh, 0.5 inch, enter. Select, select, modify command start and radius arc. Take this as first point, second point, join. Click on OK. Now here you see the wall opening is created. To see the change to realistic frame, see the wall opening is created here. Come back to level 1, and we are also on a small opening here. For that I already told you to go to all opening and add where you need. Let's select this, increase the width. You can see the wall opening here. Back to level 1. This is about wall. In order to give the dimensions, type di, enter, give inner to inner. And to- This is the basic method to draw walls, and this is you should need this basic knowledge in Revit to start any project. In next video we'll see how to create floor and roof for this wall. Thank you.